Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been almost a year since my last video, but don't worry. I'll be posting a lot of tutorials and content more often, but today I'm incredibly excited to share something very special with you. Over the past year, I've been pouring my heart and soul into creating my dream game using Unity, the game engine. It's been an amazing journey full of challenges, learning experiences, and rewarding moments. So enough talking, let's dive in. So one day I was thinking about making a game. However, I wanted it to be a local couch multiplayer game. If you don't know what that is, that's pretty much a game where you can play with friends on the same device. I began to think, what would be a fun idea for a game? Then I had it, a top-down 2D shooter where you get perks and become stronger every time you lose. Now I know what you may be thinking. That's pretty similar to the game Rounds, right? Well, it is, but I was already like 2 months into development and my game is top-down, so it should be fine. So my game starts in a lobby where players can join and then ready up. Once the players ready up, the players are sent to one of 30 maps. After one player is alive, all the other players will get to pick the perks and the winner will gain a point. Once a player reaches 5 points, the match ends. The player's score is going to be represented by some circles that will be filled in with their colors. There are also many hazards in the game right now. There are oil cans which deal damage in the area around it, oil spills that slow the player's movement, heal pads which heal the player slowly, a treadmill that moves players, barrels, and boxes, and then there's also breakable walls and pillars. There are mines which deal damage when a player steps on one, bear traps that stun the player for a second, and a turret that shoots in the area around it, which also takes damage. There's a storm that deals damage to the player when they're inside of it. There's a dummy that shows the player how much damage they're dealing. And there's assortment of buttons. One button controls a gate, the other button controls a pipe that spawns objects, and the third button controls a wind launcher that knocks players back. Finally, there are teleporters, which you can get heal packs and ammo packs from. And there's boxes that can drop. At the current moment, there are two types of perks, these being common and rare perks. The difference between common and rare perks are that common perks are more simple, while rare perks are a little stronger and more unique. There are currently 22 common perks and 16 rare perks in the game. that's it. Comment down below if you want to add your own custom perks, and if it's good enough, I'll add it. And in the next devlog, I'll be fixing lots of the bugs, adding a bunch of new features, and even adding something that's legendary.